Today is day one of the new garage gym. I'm going to be taking everything out, clearing everything off the walls and taking the carpet off the floor. Let's see how much space we've got to play with. It's been a few days now and the paint's really dry, so the garage is ready to go. The first thing that I'm going to be adding is some rubber mats to the floor, both to protect the floor and also to protect weights if I drop them. After that, I'm going to see where I go. It's important to always measure twice and cut once when doing any DIY. I found that the garage walls were slightly wonky and had to adjust the mats to get a tight fit. I'm cutting the mats using a sharp Stanley knife and a straight edge which left a clean finish. I staggered the mats to a running bond pattern, meaning that there are less corners meeting at any one point, and the mats are less likely to shift. I also made sure that the square factory cuts met in the middle, and that my cuts went against the wall of the garage for the cleanest finish. With the walls painted and the rubber floor in, part one of this garage gym is now complete. There's still plenty to be done here. I want to add mirrors to the wall, a squat rack somewhere in the garage, as well as a gun rack for the bars that I do currently own. I want to restore the Ivanko barbell so that it spins a lot more freely, as well as restore the rusty weight plates that I currently own. If you've got a suggestion for anything that I might have missed so far, please do leave a comment. Click above to see how I made this bench press from wood. And if you want to see my future videos, please consider clicking subscribe.